Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TFUEL. After quite a long time, I'm sharing my analysis on TFUEL. My last analysis I shared in the month of August when we had a very drastic drop and the price line completed a harmonic bullish reversal cipher move, and I shared this pattern with my members at the Patreon, and I told them that we can expect a pump from here. Now we can see that, let me replay this chart and you can see that how it behaved. You can see we were moving in the buying zone, in the potential reversal zone, then the price line really pumped well. Right now the price line of TFUEL has broken out even two patterns at the same time. So this is a kind of dual breakout at the same time. And in today's video, I want to share the next target with you. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line started the formation of this down channel here on 27th of October, and we have more touch points at the resistance than the support. It's mean that we were already having an idea that the price line is going to break out the resistance, because as much it will test the resistance or support, the more there will be chances for the breakout or for breakdown. In this situation, we were testing this resistance more than the support, therefore the chances were more for the breakout. Now the price line has broken out the resistance, and at the same time we can see that the TFUEL also formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern. This was the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and we have broken out this channel, the resistance of this down channel, and also the resistance of this neckline of this head and shoulder pattern as well. So therefore it is quite confirmed breakout. And if we take a look at the oscillator like RSI on this daily time frame, then we can see that there is no bearish divergence or hidden bearish divergence on the chart. The price line is forming higher high, and the RSI is also forming higher highs, and we are also forming higher lows as well. And the stochastic, the RSI is also forming higher lows as well. Therefore, it is quite confirmed breakout. We have broken out two patterns altogether, the resistance of the down channel and also the head and shoulder pattern as well. Yes, there is a possibility, because this was it was quite long resistance level. You can see after the month of October, we are breaking out this channel. Therefore, it is possible that we will move down for the retest, and normally the price line does that if it breaks out any strong resistance. And in case of if we will move down to retest, then I think we can test this resistance that was previously working as a resistance, approximately here at 19.5 cents as a support, and from here we will have another move to the upside. Now if we take a look at the target of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then our next target can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, can be approximately here at 31 cents. However, our final target as per this down channel can be here at this resistance, that is approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.